One of the great features about PathPilot is you can simulate G-code live while the tool is cutting, and you can kind of see your program before you're going to run it and kind of get a confirmation that the tool is going to be doing exactly what you want it to do. Some of these tools that you're using a lot of times are really expensive to where a simple mistake and you risk breaking a tool. So right now, if you see where the tool is in relation to the stock and in the piece in the machine, you can actually see the tool here in simulation where my cursor is. And as I'm going to start the program, you'll see this tool come up and come down, and you'll actually see the tool in real time with what it's doing in the machine right here in the simulation. So if you got a program that's a little more advanced than the engraving that we kind of just showed, here's a good representation how you can see multiple different tools we'll actually take in the program. When you go from the G-code page, if you go to view options, and you can show and visually simulate just individual tool paths for the individual tools themselves, so you're not seeing everything at once, or you can actually select all of them and give a full representation of what the entire program will look like. So it gives you the option to either see your full program or just individual tool path programs based on the individual tools.